Oh my god. Markiplier just uploaded a game. Sorry, hold on. Dude! Markiplier, 26 seconds ago, uploaded this very game. What? I have been conversing with Markiplier. So we decided to both play the Garden of BanBan at the very exact same time, apparently. So I decided to start streaming episode 1 today, and he would publish episode 2 just as I started streaming, obviously. And just for the YouTube video, of course. Hello people, I am ThePlayerMakes, and today we are going to be playing the Garden of BanBan, or as I found it on the internet, to be like a Walmart Poppy playtime. What in the heck? For a parent looking for their missing child, time is a delicate matter. Click the clock to advance time. Okay. Skip. I don't want to skip anything yet. Okay. Was this there a second ago? I wasn't looking attentively enough. I don't know what I meant to be looking for. 1 o'clock. 2 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Woo. Wonderful. Hold WASD or arrow keys for movement. Press E to interact with objects. Yeah, pretty straightforward. Hold shift to sprint. Lovely. Ooh, the sprint isn't... It's not that quick. Keycard. Alright, let's see here. Is this a floppy disk? Can I put it just anywhere? Is there a blue one that I have to look? Oh, I can jump! Eat vegetables and fruits to become strong like me. Bon. I was also told to put a flash warning in the description because I don't know. I think there are some jump scares that can be very bright and alarming. I don't know what to do with the keycard. Oh, it was a keycard, not a floppy disk. Yeah. Makes sense. Can I get in here, though? There's something at the end of that hall there. But I can't quite see what it is. Oh, cafeteria. Lovely. I have more to explore. I don't want to leave. Singing Fling says, having many arms allows me to help a lot more people. Lovely. It is very Poppy Playtime-esque. Like, look at all the friends. I do like the art style here. It's a lot more cartoonish. Poppy Playtime is a lot... What's this do? Oh! I have one of these. The remote requires 2 batteries. Can I pick this up? It's a letter. Dear Mommy, I'm hiding in a room, but I have to fight the monsters. It is the only chance to make Claire like me. Me, monster, Claire, sure. I get it, yeah. Claire's super into the knight in shining armor deal, so I get the mentality. I need to find a way to break down this door. Or there's a little power symbol on it. It's either the electricity room or... Can I pick something up? I don't know how to utilize the remote I've been given. Am I missing a control? I can't tell. I need... I'm stuck on the very first puzzle. This is tragic. That's a battery. Never mind. I'm not stuck on the very first puzzle. I know exactly what I'm doing. There's batteries right here. It's easy. It's very simple. Now can I utilize the remote thing? Ooh, that green laser wasn't there before. Is that the Is that what this thing does? Press left mouse button to use your toy. Left mouse. Okay. And knock it around. Can I ride it? Can I ride it? Can I ride it? Okay. Can I, though? You good? Do I have to do it slowly so it can coordinate? Oh gosh, this is gonna take a while. I'm really hoping that this can break glass because I don't know any other way that I can press the wrong button again, I suppose. Alright, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Is it fine, though? It doesn't feel very fine. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Oh! I'm dumb. I'm dumb. It's fine. What if I just have him fly into the big red button on the wall? That may make more sense. What are we gonna name the drone? We have to name the drone something. Yeah. Yeah. Go fly into the big red button. Yes, sir. What? You... I had no momentum. You did not believe in yourself at all. Just... Lovely. And I'm still not allowed to escape. Hello? Hey. Oh. Bye now. Can I go in here? I cannot. It's outside of the bounds. Can't go in there either. Okay. No shadows. Got it. The end is here. Irrelevant. Yeah, he does want to be friends, doesn't he? I'm not nervous about that at all. Sharing is caring. Your pancreas... Your pancreas is mine! Why? Can you go in there? Can you go? Oh, you don't like that. Ah, so you get haunted by the metaphysical walls as well. The bounds of the... Or maybe it's just glass and I'm an idiot. Is there yellow... Oh, can I break it though? What? 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 Alright, can I break it? I cannot. I need the yellow key card though. I still have the blue key card, which means I can interact back there. But oh my gosh, I'm so strong. I'm so strong. Can I shatter it with the chair? Can I just throw a chair at the glass? Not helpful. But oh my god, I'm so strong. The end is here. Yeah, I know, but apparently I'm a super mom. I'm sort of nervous about... Can I turn on the lights? Okay. To say my heart skipped. Oh, hey, friend. Kindness is free, so sprinkle it everywhere. Good. Good. Better than eating my pancreas. Ooga booga booga ooga. Good. Good. Okay, yellow key card it is. We're gonna go talk to our new friend. Yeah, I know. Don't throw a fit over it. Just come on. We're gonna talk to our new friend. We're gonna have a lovely time. And he's not gonna be homicidal at all. Hey, bud. So it's irrational to think that I didn't just see you move a couple seconds ago. I definitely saw that happen. You had your head sticking out. It was dark in here. Ooh. Find eggs to feed Opila bird. Good. Okay, same task. Good. Alright. He was just hungry. Ball pit closed. Ooh, but an egg. Lovely. Opila bird mission? Opila bird is unbelievably hungry. So hungry. Feed it 6 eggs to get your prize. Is my prize freedom? Ooh. I just want to see... What's the plan here? What's the task? There's another button back there, but it's not lit up, so I'm presuming that the drone can't press it. And if it can, then irrelevant, I suppose. Oh. Well, I guess we try either way. You got this. Lovely. I can't crouch. There's no crouching in this game, but I can sprint, so let's do this fast. Speedrun it. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Bring a friend day stickers. Caution, peel slowly. I mean, there's a boat in the middle of a playground. Of course there was something hiding inside of it. I feel like there's one in the slide, but... Or it's behind that tree. That would be a good place to hide in it. Oh? What do? What do? Oh! Okay. Okay. Are you harboring egg number 6? Or did I find it already and I'm just harboring them myself? Alright. Oh. Okay. 3. I choose any other sound. 4. 5. Do I have another one? Find eggs to feed. There's still one more egg. Oh, did it fall down the thing when I clicked the key card? Probably. That's probably what happened. Either that or you were all shouting at me in the comments and I just didn't realize. Alright, Opila. I'm pronouncing that wrong for sure, but here you go. Your last egg. Where's my prize? That was? Ah. Just in your guzzle. Got it. The yellow key card! That's exactly what I needed! Okay. Where are you? Where's friend? Oh, there you are. Hello, friend. This way. Yeah, I know. Stop throwing a fit. Just come with me. Looks like we're going around. Oh, it is fragile now. What the heck? No, stop. You did it. You achieved the thing. I don't know how to get depth. Fair enough. Alright, so I just need to use the fragility of the yellow key card to... I'm kind of glad I barricaded it with chairs, though. Is Opila still there? Yeah, she's still there. She's chilling. I need a purple key card and a red key card. Pretty straightforward. Got it. Good. Wonderful. What happens if I teleport you now? Are you... Perfect! It is the last save room. Good. Good. That's helpful to me. Because I was worried that I'd have to use this hammer. Excuse me. Letter first. Distraction at 1. Good. Good. That's not unnerving at all. Okay, Opila's still there. Hammer. I have the sneaking suspicion that the hammer is used for all the boards down there. Yeah, you're gonna fly into Opila because she makes me angry. This? Yeah, I used my 2 brain cells for that one. What? What's wrong? Gosh, hecking, you're useless. This way. Yeah. What now? Can I still interact with you? Cannot. Okay, I still need the red key card in there, which I have yet to obtain. Okay. Pretty standard stuff. big dark room just for something to conveniently jump scare me. Now you're gonna tell me how to jump? Okay. I figured it out all on my own, but red key card, random key card. Opila bird says, laughter is the best medicine, so make sure to smile. Ah, 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 ah. What happens if I fall down there? Oh, I can't. Oh, I can. Can I? If it makes me restart the whole thing, I'm really sorry. R. I needed to do it. It was for science. It was to know what happens next. See? No problems at all. And there's my drone. Is it teleported? Perfect. See? There's no consequences to my actions. I can do whatever I want. What's that do? Alright. Emergency stop button. No. What's this? Black key card. So... Oh, I have the yellow key card. Lovely. Oh, pillow bird. Footprints. Lights. I'm fully anticipating a jump scare right about now. Okay. This is what the jump button was for, I suspect. Now what? Ah. Of course. Okay. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for something to jump out of the depth and get me. Okay. Pillow bird. Yeah, I'm gonna need you over here. I need you to be on deck. Ah, that's what jump button was for. What was my color? A pillow bird was purple. Is there a purple or just a pink? Green, orange, white, red. Okay. A pillow bird was purple. BanBan was green. I didn't know I was supposed to be taking notes, but, you know, whatever. This guy was orange, wasn't he? More arms, eat your vegetables, or whatever it was. I think he was orange. Okay. I remember this guy, no, not sharing is caring. He was on the door over there, or out on the wall. He was white. I think. If I get this all first try, then I'm just going to be impressed with myself. This guy, I'm leaving him red, because red feels like the correct color. Which would make you yellow. Lovely. Yes? That looks right. I think it's right. We know Pillow... She's right there. What's this? Oh. Aw, it's all here. I alone. It's music. Musical notes. I alone. I want to play with the whole bird, but everyone left me. Everyone have party without me. Miss Mason see me but go. I am scared because hole is loud and my friends scream and it, but bird is funny. Bird is funny. You know, can't argue with that logic. Oh, he's red! That's sharing is caring. Okay, so what was... She's white. I wasn't close. Ooga booga metal strong. Blue. Man, I didn't get any of these right, did I? Green, white, red, pink, blue, orange. I think I got him mixed up with Super Meat Boy was the problem. What the... Oh, I already had him as orange. I got the orange one correct. So I got a 50%. That's fine. Orange key card. Heck yeah, baby. Concrete. What the... No. Why are you following me? You're gonna keep watching me? Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Welcome to your departure. Hi. Alright, Please be friendly. I have the sneaking suspicion that you're not. Hi. Ah! No. 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 No! I can't even get back here. No. 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 How do? How do? No! The button lit up! The button turned red. But I didn't see it before. I didn't see it until I was falling into the void, until I was falling into the bitter depths. I know. But I have to wait until she gets there. I don't like you. I don't like those eyes. Okay. You stay back. I'm gonna stay back here, and you won't be able to catch me. No, sir. Okay. We do the button. You stay back there. I don't like you. I fed you eggs, and you were unappreciative. Please. Lovely. How dare you? How dare you? It gave me a little successful bell as if I achieved something while I'm falling into the bitter depths. Does it? Please. Oh my god. I'm stupid. I was impatient and dumb. I was impatient and dumb. That was my problem, is I thought I was supposed to be racing towards... I was too fixated on the angry bird chasing me down with a vendetta that I forgot. See, emergency stop. I remembered that. I recalled. I was like, no. I have no plan if I leave. Oring. Lovely. How'd you beat me here? Okay, this is dead. Just need... I'll press that in a second. I want to read this. A letter. Name. Uthman Adam. From Montreal. Montreal! Madrid. Destination. Oh, it's a boarding pass. I didn't even look at the airplane on the screen. Boarding time 3:23. What time did we get in here? 3 o'clock? So we had about 23 minutes. I just want to see what that QR code goes to. It does. It goes to an actual... You've made it to the Jumbo Josh Lounge. This is where Jumbo Josh and his siblings come. If any of you would like to join the lounge, the QR code is on screen. Alright, let's press this button. There will be a video, don't worry. I know I X'd out pretty quickly. That didn't do anything. Does that do anything? Why not do? Why do? What do? What do? I expected this to light up and me to have to send my poor little drone friend off on a little mission. Green. Purple. I still need the purple card. Thing. I made it to the lounge. What do? The button on the... Oh, it's already red. I'm dumb. I'm dumb. I'm sorry. I'm dumb. You guys, I know. The big red button. I know I looked directly at it. I expected it to light up because, I don't know, the last one lit up. Or maybe it's because I had to make it light up with the key card. I didn't realize it was already lit. Or maybe it wasn't, and I just decided to ignore the fact that it was lit up and then throw a temper tantrum about it. Do 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 do. Hello? What kind of school is this? Oh no, they're gonna be jump scare. Is there a thing? Is there a thing down there? There a homicidal thing? A thing that I have to survive? There's gonna be a thing. Don't do the thing that I don't like. Ha! You're tripping if you think I'm getting on that. Oh, but it's just so inviting. And I've got the key card for it already. Come now, drone friend. We shall be transported to Narnia. What is running these? There's no hydraulics on this. Do, 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 do. That looks a little bit broken. Alright, I messed up the easiest puzzles in the game. So I'm sure this won't... Oh, okay. What? What? Okay, I can't use my drum. Can't use my drum. What? What? Oh! Hey, bud, I forgot your name. Please don't. Not like this. BanBan. Hey, buddy. Listen, I kind of want to talk. Okay. You're just a little blind, yeah. Just... Is that it? I didn't get to the purple room. Well, it looks like there's a sequel, which means I get to make an episode 2. And I hope I get to see all of you there. Goodbye! So I did some digging, and I found out how to get into the secret purple room, but I needed to load up a new game to do it. So, right blue key over here. So the trick has to do with Opila bird. Like, just how before we have to find eggs for her to give us the yellow key card, there's actually a hidden 6th egg for us to give her to get the purple key card. I still don't like that sound. Alright, so these are the 6 eggs that we need to get the yellow key card. But after we get this, there's actually a secret hidden 7th egg that we can use to get the purple one. And it's actually up here. I think. Yeah, there it is. There it is. There it is. I got it! The hidden 7th egg. Come now. And if we just give her the 7th egg, still hate that sound, then we get the purple key card. Heck yeah. Lovely. And speedrunning this game has made me realize how it took me 45 minutes to beat a 5-minute game. So, anyway, here it is. The computer room. I don't like this at all. It's still very ominous. What's in here? Is there anything? Wait, I had access. It let me interact with something a second ago. Am I going crazy? I thought it gave me an interaction. So what I saw is that what was hiding behind here was the same boarding pass that we found earlier in this room, in the red room. So I'm wondering if it was actually meant to be in here, and instead it was supposed to be in this room, and maybe there's just some kind of bug. Because I don't actually see anything in here, and I can't seem to interact with anything. But yeah, I guess that's it. That's how you get into the purple room. Does my guy teleport in here? He does. Thank you, toy friend. Welcome. Oh, or not. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next episode. Hopefully episode 2 of Garten of BanBan. Bye, guys.